What is up, team? Chuck with Traders Warman. I'm back at you with another video. Let's talk about the market, man. All four of the platforms absolutely killed it today. And I told you guys the other day, I've been telling you all weekend, man. Black Friday deals was on and popping. Cyber Monday deals was on and popping. And thank you to all of the people that joined up. And I saw a whole bunch of new faces when a bell ringed, guys. But listen, it's not too late. If you want to be part of the TWR Market Warriors and get some of these gains, guys, quit wasting that money that's not making money. Join the team, man. All the links are in the description on every video I have. Go to it. Check out what we have. If you got any questions, hit me up. I got the business numbers in the description as well. Listen, man, we're doing great things. Not only do we give you the alerts that are fire, but we teach you how to trade as well. So it's a one-stop shop, something for everyone, every style and every budget. Now, if that sounds good to you, then all I got to say is follow me. And let's go to war together, team. Traders War Room. Let's go out there and make some money.
In the traders war room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom, never gonna quit. Ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude. Come and learn how to trade stocks. We rentless with the attack when this thing pop. We market warriors.
After the video, check out short promos of TWR's hottest products and services. All right, let's start off with the text message alert. Look at this swing trade we had on IWM. Entered this trade at 70, trimmed out at 90, closed main position at 130, and then runners on the swing, boom, 288, guys. That's what I call a fire round trip trade, all cash, straight to the bank, only on the TWR text message platform. The penny stock platform, absolute fire, guys. We've been pushing out alerts all week that have absolutely just been destroying it. RDHL, gold, ABEO, guys, the list goes on and on. Oh, and by the way, I want to show you one from today that was just absolute fire. Note, we gave you this in pre-market, VVOS. I want you to pay attention to this because I'm about to show you the chart, what could have been you had you been on the penny stock platform for $15 a month. Yeah, the alert was pushed in the orange area, so about 11 something dollars, right? And this thing pushed all the way up into the 44s, guys. Absolute fire trade. That right there alone, just on one share, would have paid your entire month for the penny stock alerts, guys. Just imagine taking 100 of those shares. We're talking money in the bank, baby. Now, let's talk about the TWR instant message alerts. If the more aggressive platforms overwhelm you like this, here's our flagship Discord platform. As you can see, everything underneath the sun. Something for everyone, every style, every budget. Absolute killer, a beast of a server right here. But for some, all that information is analysis paralysis. But don't worry, TWR has you covered. TWR Instant Message Alerts has that problem solved. Look at this. 2 channels. You have an alerts lounge, which is where you can connect and utilize the technical analysis and DD bots. And we have the alerts channels where all of the feeds for the alerts come. So 2 channels to simplify your life so you don't get that analysis paralysis. You get all the same fire alerts, just in a simplified manner so that we make it easy for you. Now, you don't get all the bells and whistles like you would on the Discord platform. We'll go over that in a second. But you get that lounge with the DD and TA bots, plus you get the fire alerts. So, something for everyone, every budget, and every style on the Traders War Room platforms. Now, if you want it all, then the TWR Discord is what you want. Let's take a look at it real quick. We have a very aggressive platform with a channel and truly something for everyone, from alerts to live trading to technical analysis to TA bots to algorithms to newsfeed, videos, classes, chat floors, etc., etc., etc. Something for everyone, every style, and every budget. Now, let's take a look at some of the fire alerts that came out today that made people money. Real alerts, real money from real members. People making cash every day on the server, guys. We can't make this stuff up. We added trading ticks to the server, and of course we got our technical analysis and our DD bots as well, so that people can get algorithm and AI generated alerts. Also, they can do due diligence on stocks and research trends and charts and price actions and stuff like that that they're looking at and wanting to make moves on. TWR algo bots and our live trading channels, always something popping off on these, pushing out fire signals and great learning opportunities, whether it's pre-market show or a inter-market live stream or an aftermarket review, or we're pushing out the algos that are giving you the buy and sell entry points based off of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Trading floors, challenge floors, and overall chat and connect floors. We got you guys covered. Every floor has a professionals and professionals inside of them that are there to mentor, coach, and guide you. And our challenge rooms are great opportunities for small accounts to learn how to trade into bigger accounts through technical analysis, skill building, and just overall seeing how it's done. Now, I get it. You're like, Chuck, man, quit talking about this stuff. Just get to the alerts. Well, I want to explain kind of what we got, but you're absolutely right. So let's focus on what we really got here, the bread and butter, the alerts. Now, we got too many analysts and too many alerts to go over them all, so I'm just going to highlight a couple of them and just understand, man, we have over 40 analysts on the server, and we have over 100 algorithmic signals that push fire every single day. So let's go see what a couple of our analysts are pushing out real time that are making people money. Shiner, killing it with some futures action. Man, he's good at those futures. And if you love futures, we have the best on TWR. MTA had a crazy SPY put, entered in this bad boy and ran this for some big money. Boom, 295. TLM, Mr. Consistency, killing it with his QQQ trade. Mr. Top Hat, always fun. He likes to play the meme stocks, plus kick it in with the high volume ones. This play on GME was fire. He's also very active with the crypto, so you get a little bit of best of both worlds. You get the options plus the crypto action with this guy. And then Demon, he's just like his name out there in the market, man. He is a devil that just goes out there and breathes fire. Look at the trade on QQQ, riding some heavy momentum for some quick profits, man. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible as a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting that money that's not making money. Join the team and let's go to war. I keep the stocks simple, guys. 3 colors you need to focus on: purple, blue, red. Purple, that's our battle zone, okay? That's where we're at currently. Blue, that's our high target area. If we start to peak above the battle zone, we're looking for the movement to the blue area. If we start to break from the battle zone to the downside, that's the red, the low target zone. If I got some other things that I'm interested in, I'll usually use orange lines. And if there's an area of concern, I'll put that in like a rectangle yellow box. All right, so let's talk about SPY real quick, man. SPY has been trading in this consolidated rectangle for a minute, okay? And right now, we're trading right in the middle of the upper and bottom range. So we're basically 50-50 on a breakout to 460 or a breakdown to 450. So really, this level at 455 and 454 is really the battle zone, the true battle zone. And we're looking for the breaks, either 455.50 for holds above that, or 454.50 holds below that for continuation, either bullish or bearish. And we're looking for the triggers because One thing is for sure, we're starting to get divergence with the MACD that's associated with price action, and we're starting to converge with the moving averages, which tells us that a move is pending. And I would probably wager that we're likely to go up given the bullish sentiment in the market and the idea that we really don't have anything in our way for continuation to the upside for a couple weeks until we get the Fed decision on the next cycle of rate cuts or rate hikes or pausing. All right, so we're paying attention to snow. Now, if you guys paid attention to Panwa or you paid attention to crowd, then you basically know that snow made a similar movement, did very well on their earnings report. We're looking for potential continuation to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised if we get another 7 to 10% bullish movement on continuation pushing through. And so we definitely are looking for the break out of 194 towards 200. And that would be great because we did do some long options on this one, pushing out until next week in December and hoping that IV Crush doesn't catch us so that we get some of that momentum going into the close of this week and we can come out with a nice profit on those long options. Meta, been telling you guys for a while that Meta was looking like it wanted to break to the downside, and I'm still on that same push. I think that we're going to break out of this area. We already hit the target from the 335 area. It's 330 next, and then we're probably going to catch some support down there at about the 328, 329 area. That's where I'm expecting to have a bounce. However, our vertical spread that we're doing on the short side of the house is looking really good right now, and we're making a lot of money. When you do these vertical spreads, it offers you a fantastic risk versus reward ratio because you're able to get some skin in the game with options, but the theta doesn't affect you like it does going straight up option calls or option puts. So definitely we're looking to go ahead and capitalize on some of this downtrending pressure and come out with these spread options that we have with nice profit. So let's talk about Tesla. This is all about the Cybertruck. I like this for the bullish push to the upside. I think we can get the break to 255, maybe even 260 if we get some decent momentum with the Cybertruck. Now, if it's just a sell the news type of event, then we're most likely going to see 240, maybe 235 if it's a lackluster type of event. But I'm hoping we get the bullish push because I'm a long Tesla and I'd like to be able to come out of my long position with some decent money, and then I'd be looking for the reversal around 255, 260, hitting from some resistance rejection. Boeing has been extremely bullish ever since they got that upgrade. I like Boeing pushing to 230. Definitely, if you're looking out into next week and into mid-December, this would be a great opportunity for some upward trending momentum. Now, since the Dow stock, it likes to move. It doesn't move necessarily quick, but when it moves, the price action moves swiftly. So definitely put this on your radar and watch for some momentum and movements to the upside. Little shifts in price action can be big money, specifically with derivatives on these Dow type of stocks. Kroger is interesting. I don't know how to read these. They definitely got earnings in the morning. It'll be funny to see how they perform. Looking at the chart, though, it seems as though it potentially wants to make a leg to the downside. It's having trouble holding the higher highs, and it's making lower highs with lower lows. So I would not be surprised if we see a descent on this particular stock and we hit a new low going at 42.50 into 42. Okata is interesting. Now this did not perform well, and we'll be looking for this one to see how they do on their earnings call. but you got a huge outside bar. And what I like about outside bars is you can look at the price action on the inside of the bar to try to catch some momentum and triggers off of that. So we definitely have some room that we can do. We're looking at 70 for the battle zone, with 73 for the high target and 67 for the low target. So you got about a $6 range of movement that you could potentially catch both ways if we get off the trigger. So I'll be looking for this one to see how this plays off the trigger, and that's essentially the way I'll go off of momentum. If we start to get the bullish trend, then I'm going to start thinking long. If we start to get the bearish trend off of the trigger, I'll start to go to the short side of the house. And the last stock I want to give you is Ulta. Now, these health and beauty stocks have absolutely been ridiculous, okay? So I'm expecting Ulta to be nothing but a big, huge performer. Essentially, I think there was an analyst that said that the health and beauty is, in today's society, like the market and food was back in the 80s. So if you kind of correlate that, essentially what that means is that people are putting health and beauty products at the forefront of their lives. And it's similar to how we were looking at food items back in the 80s, where those were like the things that you budgeted into your lifestyle. That's what's happening with these health and beauty products. So I'm expecting for this to be a big performer. I would not be surprised if 440 would come off of their earnings call, as we got a lot of room to the upside that we can run. And I think we're still not quite done with our push. I'm looking for the breakout on this one. And I lied. I'm giving you one more, QS, because we got a spread on this one as well. We're starting to get that bullish push coming off of that rounding bottom, where we're looking to start to form that cup. So I like this for the push to the upside. I would think that this could get some momentum, and we could potentially look to go press towards that double top. And if we're lucky and we get the nice push, we could break out from that area and get a nice push to the upside with a classic cup and handle pattern starting to form. And now, check out some short promos of TWR's hottest products and services that we have available on our platform. All right, first up, I want to talk about TWR's trading platform shop. Let's go with our penny stock alerts. If it's $15 and moving and shaking, we're trading it. Next, text message alerts. High quality alerts sent to your phone via text message. Then we have the instant message alerts. Less noise, more alerts. We have our flagship, the original all-encompassing Discord platform. And then we have some deals. The 3-month deal on the instant message platform, a 3-month deal on the Discord platform. And then we have our trading clubs. We got the Chuck Fu 60-day club, the Shiner 60-day club, which is good for the Christmas season. And then for the ones that really want to save some money, Discord annual deal, and then an all-encompassing all platforms, one payment forever. Now, I get asked questions about this one payment lifetime thing, and I wanted to explain. It's elevated in price, as you can imagine, because it's one payment for life. But what you get is you get access to every platform that Traders War Room has currently and in the future. So you basically are a TWR alumni to every single platform that we have, and you have access to all of the products and services. That's what we're talking about when it's one payment, TWR for life. So that's one of the reasons why it's elevated in price, because as long as we're still rocking and shaking, you're a member of TWR forever. Next, I want to go over our website, because traderswarroom.com is a true one-stop shop. Not only do we have our platform hub connected to our website, but we have all of our products and services, from the Discord to our classes, both upcoming and historical, to our trading university, where you get real-time online education. We also have our stats, a welcome message, and our bios on how we became Traders War Room and where we started from. At our menu button is where you can navigate our website and you can go to our classes, both upcoming and historical, see what we have to offer, and our trading platforms. Also, you can go to the Trading University and see what courses we have available. I know you've heard me say it before, but I mean what I say. We are a true and complete one-stop shop for all traders and investors. Come trade with the bulls, come and get some, and as always, let's go to war together.